Today topic of lecture sources of idea generation. First, what is idea generation? Idea generation or ideation is the act of forming ideas. It is a creative process that encompasses the generation, development, and communication of new thoughts and concepts. It is called a idea generation. Idea generation or ideation is the act of forming ideas. It is a creative process that encompasses the generation, development, and communication of new thoughts and concepts. It is called a idea generation. Idea generation means formation of ideas. It is a process of that encompasses the generation, development, and communication of new thoughts and concept. Idea generation means communicate the new thoughts, new concepts. It is called a idea generation. Sources of idea generation. What is sources? Some sources also create a ideas or formation of ideas. That all are as follows. First one is consumer. Next one, existing product and services. Next one, distribution channels. Next one, government. Next one, research and development. These all are sources of idea generation. Idea generation means creation of ideas or formation of ideas. That purpose, some sources use creators, generators. That all are as follows. First one is, these all are one by one I explain now. Consumers, it is one of the first sources of idea generation. Consumer में users or buyers, purchase persons. Any business, any company, any industry, any product. No consumers, no businesses. Compulsory, need, required, depend on any business, consumers. Consumers is the one of the source, creation of ideas, formation of ideas. Consumers, problems, needs, wants, requirements, all are you collect the information. That based the you identify the consumer needs, consumer wants, consumer requirement, their problems, how to solve. That purpose you think. That purpose, you think one so many thoughts, release your mind, your brain. That all are ideas. Is one of the sources of creation of ideas. That based the you create some thoughts, your mind. That all are ideas. It is one of the source of creation of ideas. Next one is existing product and services. Existing mean already manufacturing, already available product or services. That also one of the sources, creation of ideas, formation of ideas to creators. That product or services or problems or features, any complaints from users or buyers, others, etc. That purpose, solving purpose, you think how to modify the product, their problems solve, present product or service. You think some thoughts also, you release your mind. Some ideas also create your mind, or entrepreneurs or business peoples or higher authority. That is one of the source of idea generation. That based the you think, use of your mind for creation of ideas, how to solve their problems, how to modify product, how to satisfy our users, our consumers. Some changes, some modification, some create a new features. That purpose, you think your mind. You release some thoughts, some ideas. It is one of the sources of idea creation, idea formation. Next one is distribution channels. Who is it? Distribution channels. Distribution channels mean flow or transfer goods and services from manufacturer to user or consumer or buyer. It is called a distribution channels. Distribution channel means transfer, flow, goods and services from manufacturer to user or buyer or purchase person. It is a ways, routes, flow the goods and services from manufacturer to user. It is called a channels. The channels also different mediators, middle persons. For the example, wholesalers, retailers, agents, etc. These all are mediators of the distribution channels. that mediators or wholesalers, agents, distributors, retailers, their some knowledge, experience, give the some guidelines, some advices, some problems, their product or service, you complaints, give the investors, entrepreneurs. That based the you think how to solve their complaints, how to implement their advices, their guidelines. That purpose you think, that you create some ideas, some thoughts, your mind. It is one of the sources of creation of ideas. That based you think any changes, any modifications or features or color or size or quality, how to attract users, buyers, consumer, how to improve the sales. Their complaint based you create some ideas, some thoughts, your mind. This is one of the sources of creation of ideas. Next one is government. Government is the one of the source. Create new ideas, new thoughts, or investors, or entrepreneurs, or business peoples. Any changes of rules and regulations, government policies, business rules and regulation. That based you think new ideas, new thoughts, how to face that problem. For the example, government is ban plastic items, covers. That is one of the rule passed the government. That place what type of business, what type of goods, fill that gap. Compulsory need the plastic covers for packing purpose. That is ban manufacturing. That place what installed, fill that gap. You think some jute items, some cloth items. You think. So some ideas also your mind. That change of the rules, government policy. This is one of the sources of creation of ideas. That based you new product, new goods, new services, you manufactured. That purpose you think, your mind, use of mind. You some thoughts also create, some ideas create their minds. It is one of the sources of creation of ideas. Next one is last one, research and development, R&D department. or investigation. This is one of the source, creation of ideas, any change of features, some research reports, collect the information, collect the data, that based you think what ideas use, what type of goods also required, what is goods present demand, more demand, that purpose, how to catch the demand, present situation, present also corona 19, some product services also more demand. For the example, masks, sanitization liquids, that items, medical, health foods, etc. That based you think what type of business starting better, get the more profits. Some ideas, your mind, creation of ideas. This is one of the sources of the research and development. These all are sources of creation of ideas. First one is consumers. Second one, existing product and services. Third one, distribution channels. Fourth one, government. Last one, research and development. Next topic is stages of idea generation. Idea generation means creation of ideas, formation of ideas. That is different stages, not once. Some steps. Any idea, create your mind. That follow the one procedure, one method. That has different stages. That as follows, one by one. First one is generation. Next one is selection. Next one, implementation. It is a stages of idea generation. First one is generation. Next one, selection. Next one, implementation. These all are one by one. I explain now. First one is generation. Generation means creation, formation. This is first stage. Any issue, any problem, any product, any services, you first modify or introduce the new product, new business. That purpose, investors or entrepreneurs or creators, you think first, use of your mind for solve the problems. That some ideas, some thoughts rise, create your mind. That is a first stage of the idea creation. Different ideas, different thoughts, your mind release. It is a first stage. Any issue, any problem, any activity, any program, any product, etc. You think, some ideas also create, release your mind. It is a first stage. Next stage also selection. Selection is the second stage of the idea generation. First stage, you so many ideas, so many thoughts, release your mind. That some also use, some not use. That scrutinize, screening, not use. Ideas avoid, remove. Remaining useful ideas, that is better idea. You compare to the evaluation, calculation, every idea, advantages, disadvantages, merits, demerits. In this stage, you select the suitable idea. You are solving for the problem. It is a second stage of idea generation. Next one is implementation. This is the last stage. Your first is create ideas, so many ideas. It is a generation stage. Next, second stage is selection. Above ideas, you are suitable for benefit. You select the one idea. Second stage. Final stage also, you implementation of the your idea. Practically, you release the your idea, solving purpose. This is a last stage of the implementation stage. This properly implement. Follow. Do not follow that idea, you are failed. Do not implement. Or also, for example, you so many ideas you night after early morning, all ideas not implement. The total ideas also failure. Same, any idea you creation, select, that finally properly implement, properly follow. It is important stage. Not implement, not follow, your total time and waste. This is also last stage of idea generation stages. These all are 3 stages. First one is generation, second one is selection, last one is implementation. Today class known what is idea generation, sources of idea generation, stages of idea generation. This topic is over. Thank you.